Well, hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'm out today with my brother Stoneface. We're doing a bit of exploring here on this beautiful Saturday afternoon in my quest to research and document all of the waterfalls in the Philadelphia region. We've come today to an area known as Kugler Woods, and we're searching for Kugler Falls. We're right off of Route 29 in New Jersey, right on the other side of the river. There's some traffic going by. We're parked at an area called the Point Pleasant parking area along the Delaware and Raritan Canal. So there's a little bit of water in the stream. This is said to be a stream that flows optimally in the springtime, but we're gonna walk down this short path and see what we see. So let's check it out. So we're only a short distance in, right off of Route 29. We're looking down at this little valley here, but there's some really beautiful little like cascades and small falls and big rocks down there. And it did rain about 24 hours ago, so I was hoping there would be some nice scenery down here, some flowing water, and I'm actually more impressed than I thought I'd be when I first pulled up to this place. It's pretty nice back here. All right, so this trail was advertised as a half a mile and 200 acres, but we've only come, that must be a half mile both ways, because we've only come a really short distance. I mean, I guess maybe a quarter mile, and we're already coming to some yellow posted private property signs. So right now I'm above the falls, this very rocky area here, and I'm gonna get down closer to the waterfall and film it for you. But I mean, it is nice, really nice stretch of woods here, but this is a really small spot. I bet it's great after a really heavy rain though. The rocks here have all of these strange weathering patterns on them, and I'm assuming these are natural, but they almost look as if they're man-made in some way. But the rocks here are really cool, and this is one of them spots where, again, it's a really small area, but it's the kind of place where you want to just hang out for a bit and soak it all in. All the traffic noise is gone because the water, you know, the sound of the rushing water takes that away. And another pleasant surprise here. I don't know what it is about these small waterfalls I like so much. It's, I think, how the water just finds its own way and it trickles across the rocks, and the way it's being lit up by the sun and the colors, and the green moss. It's just really exotic looking. And there's a second waterfall even below the upper tier that I'm at now. Let's check this one out. Well, my friends, another pleasant surprise. I mean, I have to admit, when I first showed up to this location, I put the camera in my pocket and I said, I'm not going to film here, there's nothing here. But you gotta keep going and you gotta see what there is to see, and this is a super cool spot. I'd love to come back here in the fall and film after maybe like a heavy rain. I bet you will get beautiful shots. So, small but beautiful Kugler Falls. Thank you once again for joining us for some nature, adventure, discovery. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Gator out.